What is agile? An interesting question. If you look at the dictionary definition of agile, it's being able to move quickly and easily. Well, that's a good definition. What's one thing that you want to do quickly but not easily? Something like building a successful business or losing weight. Losing weight, of course, we all want to stay fit. But if you're overweight, if you want to lose weight, of course, it's very difficult. Many get deterred by the amount of dedication and perseverance that is required to sustain it. Losing weight is a great goal. It has positive impact on you, your family, friends, and colleagues, the whole system. However, in order to achieve the goal, you need to change many existing habits and develop new habits. Similarly, if you want to build a successful business, you need to develop sustainable habits. What does agile mean for business? It's the ability to evolve your products quickly and continuously to fulfill customer needs. Just like losing weight, we want to do that quickly, but it's not easy. It requires us to be disciplined in the way we work. We need to engage customers regularly to understand whatever we're building is in the right direction or not. We also need to regularly reflect on the way we are building products, our processes, the way teams interact, and the way they collaborate, the policies that govern us. And we need to improve on those as well. So Agile is like a vehicle that takes you from point A to point B. There are different types of vehicles like car, boat, jeep, etc. Car works fine on a road in Bangalore or New York City. However, if you're traveling to Pahalgam in Kashmir during January, the roads are covered by maybe 10 to 20 inches of snow. So you might need a jeep. Similarly, if you want to reach a hotel that's on Dal Lake, you might need a boat. So based on the terrain of the surface you're traveling on, you need different types of vehicles. Similarly, based on the complexity of the work that you're doing, you need different ways and means to achieve agility. There are ways and means like Scrum, extreme programming, Kanban. So you might have to choose an appropriate one for the kind of work that you do.